In this video, I will show you how to fix camera error can't connect to the camera problem. So first of all, open settings. Scroll down till you find apps. Click on it, then go to app management. Then in the search bar, search for camera. Click on camera. After that, go to storage uses. Here, click on clear cache written in bright red. Then let's go back again. Here you will find permissions. Click on it. Here you can see that under not allowed section, camera is there. Click on it. As you can see, don't allow is clicked. Click on allow only while using the app. Then go back. Now camera will be moved to allowed section. And now you will be able to access your camera. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.